Step into a super telephoto world. The 83x optical zoom of the COOLPIX P950 covers an incredible focal length range, from wide-angle 24mm1 to super telephoto 2000mm1 and everything in between. With a zoom this powerful, you can capture distant subjects far beyond the reach of an ordinary camera, from birds and other animals in the wild, to distant landscapes, aircraft and even planets. Dynamic Fine Zoom2, an enhanced digital zoom that effectively doubles the reach to a 4000mm1, allowing for even greater zoom potential. At the other end of the spectrum, macro photography can be captured as close as approximate 1 cm/0.4 and 0.3. From extreme close-ups to extreme zoom, the COOLPIX P950 delivers sharp, clear, and beautiful images, all in a compact, highly portable body. 135mm format equivalent. 2 at the maximum image size. The maximum zoom ratio varies by image size. Dynamic fine zoom magnification is calculated from the maximum wide-angle position of the optical zoom. 3 distance from the center of the front surface of the lens. 16MP low-light CMOS sensor. 83x zoom Nikon ED glass lens. 3.2-inch 921,000 vari-angle LCD. 4K UHD 3840 by 2160 at 3025.